Here's how you replace the car battery on a 2023 or 24 Genesis GV80 like this one. First, start by going to the trunk because that's where it's stored in this car. Peel up the carpeting and the panel in the back here. Lift it up through this. The screen will pull out of the way like this. And then there'll be this panel here. Pull that up and out. There's two nuts that you have to undo. And then there is your battery. And then it's likely a 10 millimeter for there. And then on the positive terminal as well. And then you need to remove this bar. I'm not sure of the size on this. It might be 13 or 12 millimeters, but it's the same on all three of them. And this one has a wire in the way, so you have to get the positive terminal off first, and then you can get down to the bottom. So again, 1, 2, 3 to remove this bracket. I'll try to put an affiliate link to purchase the new battery. And then after you drop in the new battery, you put the terminals back on, and then you reinstall the bracket. Take this cap, put that back on, and then put this panel back on. I don't remember what these were because they were already taken off prior. They may have been Torx nuts. And then put all of this back. If you have any questions, put it in the comments.